Hey, YouTubists. This is Embo24 coming at you from Houston, Texas. How's everybody doing? I am in an unfamiliar background, unfamiliar place to you all. I've been here for close to a month now. This is a rental house. I'm not in my house at present. Just holding up a minute. I'm smoking Virginia slices that I got at the Briar Shop in Houston here, brick and mortar. And it's in, of course, you see my freehand, Cobb freehand. Okay. So now I'm in this rent house here with my family and I. I don't know how much national news it got. I know it got some, but Houston had a really horrific flood in sections, or in part. The worst part that got flooded was exactly smack where I live in Meyerland. My house had 2 feet of water in it, and it's basically unlivable. So my whole life has been turned upside down, which is why I haven't been making any videos. I was starting to get into making videos again. I had taken a break from it. I thought I'd just put this one up real quick. So yeah, I woke up in the middle of the night. The house, I digress, but the house is 55 years old. The history of the house, it has never flooded, and there have been some horrific, I keep using that word, just nightmarish flooding, hurricanes, tropical storms that have dumped all kinds of rain on Houston. This house has never flooded. Okay, so this time it was too much. I think we had like 11 inches, 12 inches of rain in about 5 hours. My family and I had to wade in chest deep water to the house next door, which was a newer house, and they have all the newer houses were built up on about a 6-foot foundation. So they were dry. They let us in, spend the night over there. We waded back through the water, which was not receding at all, and just kind of waited for the water to finally go down. The house inside, contractors were hired immediately. They demolished everything, took out all the drywall up to about 4 feet. All the cabinets, sinks, fixtures, everything has been smashed up and demolished, and all the furniture was lost. We did have flood insurance, which will pay for the rebuilding of the structure. However, the city of Houston has required that they will not give you a permit or permits to do any rebuilding or repairs until you raise your house up above the floodplain, like a foot, 12 inches above the floodplain. So we, in addition to the cost of rebuilding the house, we have to hire a company that will lift the entire house, like 5 or 6 feet. So that's going to be additional monies. So I've been, my wife and I have been dealing with everything that goes with being displaced. FEMA, insurance companies, both the cars got totaled, so we had rent cars for a while. We had to purchase new cars. It's just been something that I hope none of you have to go through, and I hope I never have to go through it again. I mean, it's just been an experience that I will never forget. All right, so that's pretty much been my life for about the last month. I think it happened about, I think May 30th, maybe May 29th or May 30th. So about the last month. And, you're dealing with the 1,001 things that pop up that you never think about. Okay, so I'm not going to get into any other pipe or tobacco subjects right now. Just thought I'd put up this video about the flood. So that's it. We're all okay, which is the main thing, and I feel blessed that everybody came out okay. It's other people suffered worse losses. All right, so this is Embo24 checking out for now, and I will be back. Bye, everybody.